to another video, and welcome if you're new. It's sticking to the... Okay, as y'all could see by the title and what I'm holding right now, I got new slime, and I wanted to share it with y'all by playing with it, and, I'm gonna say how much excited I am for Christmas. I'm like so excited. Like, I never want Christmas to quit because it's such a fun holiday. It's one of my favorite holidays. Now this slime goes with a charm, and this is a Squishmallow slime, by the way. I got it from my nan's because we always do like this Christmas party, and she likes to get these presents for us, and people like bring these presents for people. I got a lot of presents from a lot of people that, yeah. Also, I got the, I forgot what this thing is. Hold on. Is this like a fish, or like a, I got an axolotl. This axolotl Squishmallow, I wish I had. I really love the charm. Like, the charm keeps on sticking to the thing though. I'm so excited for Christmas, and if y'all saw. Also, I got a gaming channel. I didn't do anything on it yet, but I'm gonna start doing videos on it, sometimes. Go on a YouTube and search Reagan the Gamer. I have a gaming channel. I haven't posted anything on there yet. You don't have to go to that channel if you don't want to. No force. You don't have to subscribe, because I'm that kind of YouTuber that doesn't force you to subscribe or put on notifications or like the video. I'm not one of those YouTubers. Most YouTubers are like this video, and subscribe. But I want y'all to subscribe, but y'all don't have to be honest. Like, I don't want to force. So this slime is very sticky. Did I already tell you? I did get a new Labubu. I now got two, which is so exciting because I'm gonna go to school with literally two Labubus hanging on my jeans. Like, girl. Sadly, this is kind of like, not this kind of slime that would make a bubble. But listen to this poke. Let's hope you hear it. Hold on. Every time it sticks to my hand, but let me put it over. Do you hear that poke? That's a really good poke. But yeah, I have this new slime. This is not the only slime. I have a whole slime shelf over there of Squishmallow slimes. I even have, a, like, mushroom one, a bat one, but Delaney's playing with that one in there. What?
I was going to say that, say something right now? You can say something about the slime or anything? Say something about the slime?
Why?
In your normal voice.
It's cute.
Okay, now say it in YouTube voice.
Hi guys, I got this cute slime. And welcome. Why did you make me do that, Cheyenne? I got slime all in my hands. Hold up. This is just like my vlog channel or like a why am I throwing this like a ball? Like a tiny little. The slime doesn't really make like a good like swirl. I remember when I played with that foam. I really lost that foam though. Like I don't know where it is. Do y'all remember that video? It was like a year ago since I posted. I don't remember, but I remember I played with that foam, and now I'm over here playing with slime. This is like just like. Let's hope it doesn't change an ISS again, so I don't lose my other channel, cause like it keeps on doing that. I want to say this has been a very long journey, and I got 72 subscribers. I want to say thank you so much. Y'all are so sweet. I never thought this would happen. And I just want to say thank you. Y'all are literally the best. And Merry Christmas to all. This is a cute slime. I put glitter in it and everything. It kind of like sticks to my hand. I guess I'm getting it wore out. I just got a notification. Y'all probably wondering, well, y'all probably already know, but I got these profile pictures from Niku. I'm probably going to pick this all up because my hands are getting messy. But thank y'all for watching. I want to say thank you very much for watching my videos, and thank you for subscribing. And, oh my gosh, this is how it looks with the charm inside. Yeah, that's so cute. I want to say thank you for watching this video, and happy that you stayed here till the very end. I'm going to have to watch my hands. Bye, y'all.